So let's now have a look at the flow of fluids to the platform. Now, as part of the completions process, engineers fit production pipes called tubing, and this often involves subsurface safety valves. This essentially provides a connection from the reservoir to the platform. Now, well fluids, that's oil, gas and water, rise up from the reservoir through the production tubing and then onto the platform. Now, it's important to know that the tubing terminates at what's called the wellhead, and the wellhead provides pressure control. That's its primary purpose. We also have what's known as the Christmas tree, and the Christmas tree contains valves that are used to isolate the flow of well fluids to the platform. And finally, we have subsurface safety valves. And subsurface safety valves are an integral part of well completions as they protect against uncontrolled flow of fluids in case of catastrophic damage to the wellhead equipment. So let's now focus our attention on the separation of fluids. Now, once the oil and gas is brought onto the platform, it flows together via steel pipes into vessels known as separators. Now, this is done in a separating unit where the crude oil goes through the inlet and then it's separated out into oil, gas, and produced water. And this is done so that different fluid streams can be treated in preparation for the transportation phase. Now, the oil droplets are separated from the produced water using methods such as hydrocyclones or coalescers, and these separate the fluids based on their densities. Now, the separated oil is then sent back for further processing, and the water is either re-injected into the reservoir or sometimes it's dumped overboard. Now, in the process of extracting oil and gas, we also extract water, what is often called produced water. Now, typically this is sent from the separator to a different vessel to be cleaned up.